Have you just scored an unbelievable deal on a drill driver, impact driver combo kit from Dewalt? Are you wondering what screwdriving set to pair with these two 20-volt max beasts? Well, of course you answered yes to all those questions. That's why you clicked this video. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and...
So what we have is this 31-piece Flextorq screwdriving bit set from Dewalt. Using this Dewalt screwdriving kit with your Dewalt drill is like wearing an Adidas shirt, Adidas sweatpants with Adidas sneakers. I mean, they just go together. Let's get this thing unboxed. Let's just see how they fit in the impact. Let's see how they run. I'm excited. Let's see if there's any literature. They got a plethora: square drives, slotted drives, star drives, nut drivers, the tried and true Phillips heads. Like a lot of clamshell packaging, this is definitely not frustration free, but it's worth the struggle to get the contents out. I'm feeling the box, and I feel like this is a very solid case. It almost feels more rugged than some of the other Dewalt cases. You think it's my imagination? Let me know in the comments section below. It could be. I feel like the case feels a little more Flextorq-y. I'm not certain though. I think.
Are you Flextorqing right now?
I'm Flextorqing. Whoa! So we have our 20-volt max impact. You know, let's just see. Boom! Look at that. So these DeWalt bits, they just slide in. There's no reason to pull the collar on the drill or the impact driver. It just, boom, slides right in and it's retained. You could tell that this is a match made in heaven. Look at it. My favorite test for these number 2 type bits is how does it fill the head of a number 2 screw? Wow. Look how nice that number 2 tip fits that number 2 screw. Totally fills the void. Makes me want to just keep driving screws. But retention is so good. It fits the screw so well. Doesn't necessarily have to be magnetized. This is the Flextorq zone in the yellow area. That's what they're saying, okay? It's mentioning this collar, but it's not included with the kit. What is included with the kit, though, is this magnetic Dewalt holder. Now, I'm very fond of their other sleeves, holders, because they have the slide-over sleeve. This doesn't have that, but it is magnetic. And then boom, one-handed operation. Let's drive some screws. My biggest test when buying any type of screw driving kit is how well the number 2 tips fit in a number 2 screw. If you can't get that right, I probably will never buy your kit ever again. And just, I think that DeWalt, in my opinion, is heads above all the other companies. I like their number 2 bits the best. I'm seeing some Flextorqing, I think, in the bit. Like totally Flextorqing.
Flextorqing a little bit.
Wow, look at it. Flextorq this 2x4 right in half. Look at that. Unbelievable. Try it in our 20-volt max drill. Set on number 2. Wow. It just drives them. Wow. Awesome. Along with our number 2 and number 1 Phillips bits, we also have some star bits here. Looks like they start at T20 all the way to T27. So you have a T20, 2 T25s, and 1 T27. And a little sloppy. I gotta tell you, that little bit of slop would definitely, a sleeve would compensate for the slop. Let's try some of these T25 screws. There's a little bit of it's not terrible. It has a positive drive. It's just keeping it from wobbling. And I think that if we had a sleeve here, it would keep the bit from wobbling in the head of the screw, especially when you get to a longer type screw. So you can see the wobble here, right? Because of the wobble, it turns a one-handed operation into a two-handed operation. So you could steady either the drill or the screw itself. The engagement on the screw itself, not bad. Very good, very positive. You can see no slipping. It's just the wobble in the head itself. If this kit included maybe a sleeve, it would keep the two of them much more stable and probably would allow for one-handed operation. Also in this kit, the very useful, a lot of times overlooked, number 3, Phillips. You ever say to yourself, man, when does that ever fit? Fits a number 3. Phillips head screw. Very good. A lot less wobble in that. The bit really bites into that number 3 head of that screw. No slipping. Beautiful. Dewalt has also added, very thoughtfully I might add, some square Flextorq bits. Will this Flextorq bit maybe just twist right up? It's a nice size anchor. It does have a drill point, but let's just see. And that is a thin neck on that drive. A little bit of wobble, but you could still use one-handed operation. You getting that?
Go ahead.
Operation. For all you nut drivers out there, we have a 1/4 inch and 5/16. Driving things like Tapcons, other anchors. I'll tell you, it's very positive on engagement. No slipping at all. You know, that's in wood. Maybe in concrete the story would be different. I don't think so. What we could try to do is back out some of these Tapcons that we've previously driven. No problem. Man down, man down. So I think if you're looking for a good kit with a wide range of different screw driving bits, this 31-piece kit is great. If you like the Flextorq all over the place with your 20-volt max impact driver, then this is the kit for you. I think it's a win. Matter of fact, I'd give it an 11. If you like this video, we hope you'll give it a like. Leave your comments below. Do you like these Flextorq bits? Do you have them? What are your experiences with them? Did you like our review? Do you know somebody that needs to be able to Flextorq some screws and anchors in the wood and masonry? Well, share this video with them. But as always, thanks a lot and have a great day. I'll put this right in my box. I got some Flextorqing to do a little bit later on. Boom, right there, look at that. Gotta go. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.